Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to talk to you about when to repair or replace your furnace or boiler. Now, when you invest in a furnace or boiler to heat your home or business, it's a major consideration. It's a major investment, and you want to make sure that you're making the right decision with your money. So I'm just going to give you some tips on the things you need to consider when you're looking to either repair or replace your furnace or boiler. Now, of course, you want to work with a qualified and experienced a licensed HVAC contractor to help you with this decision. Hopefully that contractor will take a look at your current system and offer you some suggestions. But these are just some of the things that you want to do when you're doing your own homework, when you're researching, when you're making this important decision on whether you want to repair or replace your home's current heating system. So the first thing you want to consider is the age of the system. Most furnaces have a lifespan of about 15 years, and for boilers, that's about 25 years. Now, this is with proper maintenance and servicing and operation, but you can expect about those numbers for average. And if your current system is above those number of years, then it's definitely a consideration to possibly consider replacing that current system. Next, you want to look at the type of repair. If it's a minor type of repair that would cost maybe less than 1/3 of the cost of the price of a new furnace or boiler. And these are minor things such as low airflow, water leaks, maybe you need a new thermostat. These are things that can easily be repaired by a qualified HVAC technician. But if you're looking at a major type of repair, which involves a major component, such as things as the heat exchanger, which a damaged heat exchanger in a furnace can lead to a carbon monoxide leak, which can be deadly. So you want to consider, well, is this a minor type of repair or a major type of repair? Because if it's minor, you might just have that HVAC technician go ahead and make that repair and then pay that bill, and then you should be set for the season. But if it's a major repair, then you might want to be looking into possibly replacing that system. The next consideration you want to consider when you're thinking about either repairing or replacing your heating system is how efficient is the system. Higher efficiency means it takes less fuel to generate heat in that system. And the rating that is used is called the AFUE rating, which is the Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency Ratio, which is the percent of heat produced for every dollar of fuel consumed. Now, a high efficiency furnace has a 90% AFUE, whereas a low efficiency model might have less than 60%. If you're seeing significantly higher bill increases due to poor efficiency of your system, then it might be time to replace your system. Next, you want to look at the burner flame. Now, this is actually the flame that heats up, if you have a boiler, it heats up the water or heats up the air. You want to take a look at that burner flame, and if it's a blue flame, that means it's working efficiently, it's working correctly, and it's working as it should. However, if you have a yellow flame, this means that an incomplete fuel combustion is taking place, and the dangerous effects of that are carbon monoxide is produced and could be leaking into your home. Now, the benefits of replacing a system are the savings in the energy usage, as well as you're less likely to need these costly types of repairs. And it's just much more reliable and something that you can count on to heat your home during the winter's coldest days. Just a final tip, you want to be sure you're working with an experienced HVAC contractor throughout this entire process, who will ensure that if you do decide to go ahead and replace your heating system, you want to make sure that furnace or boiler is properly sized for your home and is installed correctly. An experienced HVAC contractor can also analyze your home's current ductwork system and overall home efficiency, and can offer possible solutions to any issues that they find. And they can help you to further enhance your home's heating system and help you save more money. Hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.